Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan SE NAV spec, and it's the 2-litre TDI 150 brake horsepower car. They're a fine car, really well put together, really nice driving dynamics. This particular one is lovely in terms of its spec. With the outside spec, it's gotten the Nardo grey, which in my opinion is the best colour you can get. Anyway, I'm going to take you for a drive, show you all that kind of stuff now, and I just want to say, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe. And finally, I'm going to put the price here as to what you can finance this car for through us, should you choose to. So here we are out driving the Tiguan, and as I said in the intro, this is the SE NAV spec. So it's quite a nicely spec'd car, and it's one of my personal bugbears with Volkswagen. We sell a lot of Skodas, and I can never understand how Volkswagen can sell you a similar car with less spec for more money. But this one isn't like that. Someone actually paid the money to give this car all the spec. So it actually comes with all the stuff. So I have no gripe with it. I never had an issue with Volkswagen products generally. I just never understood that meanness they were able to attach to all their stuff. The SE NAV spec on this one, just so you know, it gives you NAV, 8-inch touchscreen in the middle. We get parking sensors, sat nav, full Bluetooth phone connectivity, which is a wonderful thing. It allows you to play any sort of device you have in the background, so if kids are screaming at you to hear the wheels on the bus or whatever on YouTube, you can do that through your phone. So it's a nice lifesaver in that sense, certainly for me at the minute. But then the other thing it does, it gives you climate control, tree zone climate control actually. So you've got your own independent climate control in the back too, on each side in the front, cruise control, lane assist, all that kind of stuff, but they're all extras, Anyway, this car has all that stuff, so there's nothing to complain about here in it. How it drives is absolutely lovely. It does that thing that all the sort of crossover SUVs do, in that it gives you the high vantage point without the wallowiness of a 4x4. So it actually drives very much like a car. You could get out of this from any car, and all you're doing is you're seeing higher. You don't have to change your driving style at all. There's no sort of drawback in the sense that there would be with like a Toyota Land Cruiser or something, where it's sort of wallowy and stuff. So it's a fine car in that sense. And then just the general build quality is very much Volkswagen. It's spot on. There's no sort of rattles. There's no anything in this car. It's exactly as tight, and all the tactile surfaces feel great. Like, they're high quality. It's all soft touch stuff. So it's a fine car. Like, there's certainly nothing wrong with it. And you can tell it's quite a step up from a Qashqai. Like, we do specialize in Qashqais, and I like them very much. But you can tell that this car is like 15 grand dearer when it's new. It's obvious in how it feels, all the little bits that are extra in it. Its manners on the road are super as well. This is the front wheel drive 150 horsepower one, which is actually the most recommended one online, all that kind of stuff. So it's the one to have, and it drives perfectly, very good on fuel. Official figures are 59 mpg or something like that, and quite a quick L thing, so not the worst L car. So I'll kind of leave it there with the car spec and stuff. And I will move on to us. We were one of the very first ever second-hand dealers to be SIMI. Now we're an AA approved dealer too, which I think is a big feather in our cap, and that allows us to offer AA warranty. So the AA warranty, the car comes with a 101 point pre-sale checkpoint, and it's a nationwide warranty. So if you bought the car off us in Donegal, Kerry, out the furthest reaches of Galway, how it works is if you find yourself in trouble out there, they fix you there. You get repaired there, and the AA make sure you have a car and stuff, so you're not stranded. So a fantastic thing in that sense. And for us, I think it's a great feather in our cap, in so much as the AA are quite brand protective. They won't just allow anyone to have it. So, they look deeply into all the dealers they allow sort of represent their brand. So that's kind of it. I'm going to wrap up the video there on that. And I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope it gave you an idea who we are and what the car is really like, and just, made your decision to come and see us easier. So with that in mind, I'm going to say goodbye, and hopefully we get to see you soon.